walk upstairs. The restaurant is upstairs here. And they have their banquet rooms, ballrooms. River Room Restaurant. Lunch and dinner. Oh, the express menu. Served with French fries. Or a petite green salad, upgrade to Greek or Caesar. Oh, a classic club. Oh, that's good to know. Or the Riverside Caesar. Huh. The look of the restaurant. So, hotel buffet for $21. Look at all that bacon. Oh. That's scrambled eggs, sausages. Might do the buffet because I can do waffles, which I wanted. I had the breakfast that I took to the room, and it added up to about the same. So maybe I'll do, and I'm gonna get cool. All right, let's get this started. All right, grab a plate. Forgot to bring my tripod. Scrambled eggs today. Give this a stir. I always like to stir it up. Grab some bacon. The ones underneath. Some sausages. I don't. They're okay, but I prefer my own roasted potatoes that I make. Okay. Now, how do you do this? I've never done this. I don't know, do we? Oh, get the batter from here, I guess. Make your own. Oops. Oops. How many times that happened? Leave it up to me to make a mess. Okay, and then what? I've never done this. Alright, pour this in here, I guess. Am I doing this right?
Yes.
I guess. And then this goes down. Okay. Flip it?
Yes. Yes, and wait 2 minutes.
All right. I don't want it. I hope it doesn't burn. What time is breakfast start?
10:30, 6:30 until 10:30.
Okay. Wow, who is up at 6:30? Sorry.
You know, I'm so busy 6:30.
Really?
It's a worker.
Oh.
The
Okay.
company, they eat
Oh.
quick and left the job.
Oh, I
The
see.
work.
Wow, I should have done this first and then it's gonna be cold. All right, and then what? Open it up. What? Look at that. So this part, now how do I take it out? I put it on top on another plate. Cool. Wow. No, not what I need. Okay. And then what? There's whipped cream. I want butter. Okay, I need 2 hands to take this back to the table.
They only offered the scrambled eggs. I usually like scrambled eggs, but I didn't care for these ones. And also they got cold fast. Everything actually got cold fast, so. And the waffle was okay. It had a chew to it, like when I cut it, it didn't have a nice sort of like crisp on the outside when you cut into it and then soft on the inside. The whole thing was kind of on a chewy side. I enjoyed the breakfast that I had on Monday off the menu, the a la carte menu. So that was, and I took it back to my room to eat that, and that was fine because I had my eggs the way I liked it, like the over medium. I didn't think to ask them for the buffet part if I can have over medium eggs, but anyway. I have to say I do love the bacon and sausage. It was really good, and the fresh fruit. So I would dine here again. I would visit Windsor again. I would stay at this Best Western Plus Waterfront Hotel.
$21 for the buffet. You can always go back and get seconds, but I think this will do me fine.
So check out my main channel, Out and About with yours truly, Liz OC, and all my other channels. The next video should be the train ride from Toronto to Windsor, Ontario. And look out for the next video after that, exploring Windsor, Ontario, the beautiful Riverside, also the downtown street, the history and heritage of Windsor, Ontario. Check out What's Cooking with Liz OC. I will have a few food reviews from Windsor, Ontario.